Welcome, ladies. When it comes to attracting men, most women have no idea how powerful a well-timed compliment can be, or how deeply drawn to you he'll be when he feels noticed and admired. We're so used to waiting for men to make the first move and give us their attention that we forget that they want to feel wanted too. But the truth is, many men go through life rarely hearing a genuine compliment from a woman. It's not that we're cold or selfish. We just don't always realize that men crave emotional affirmation just as much as we do. In fact, a lot of women hold back, afraid they'll come on too strong or say the wrong thing. But that hesitation can mean missing the moment when a simple compliment might have sparked something real. In this video, I'm going to show you how to give the kind of compliment that captures a man's attention and his heart. You'll learn what to say, when to say it, and how to make your words feel both natural and sincere. Whether you're meeting someone new or deepening a connection you already have, these tips will help you stand out in the best way possible. Welcome to Love Now. If you're new here, I'm Virginia Goodhart, author, relationship coach, wife, and mother of 2 teenage girls, and my mission is to help women of all ages find, date, and keep the men of their dreams. So if love is what you're looking for, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new content frequently, tips that you can use today to get the man you've always wanted. Okay, let's talk about compliments. To be attracted to a man is to admire something special about him. It might be something physical, like his eyes or muscle tone, for instance, or something he's good at, such as his musical ability, the way he plays a sport, or how he dances, or even something subtle that you can't quite put your finger on. Whatever it is, whatever draws you to a man, tell him. Choose one of his physical traits or an aspect of his personality and let him know you've noticed it. Trust me, men love compliments as much as you do. Here are some tips. Tip number 1, compliment the way he looks. Most guys don't get any compliments from women, so most of them have no idea if they're attractive, or if women think they look like cave trolls. So, because such feedback is rare, men really listen and appreciate it when someone praises them. If you think a man is handsome, tell him. If you think he has an excellent physique, let him know those hours he spends in the gym are worth it. Men love hearing that you find them physically attractive. If you show him honest admiration, he'll do the same for you. Tip 2, keep your compliments clean for now. After you've spent hours getting to know a man, it's fine to heat things up with spicy compliments about his delicious-looking lips, or what he's packing in his jeans, or how you dream about his big, strong hands touching your body. But when you first meet him, try to keep things G-rated, even if you're feeling NC-17. There's nothing wrong with sexual desire or innuendo, but hold off on the hot and sexy stuff until later. If you get suggestive too soon, he may think sex is all you're interested in. Not that he would mind, of course. Many guys are looking for a casual hookup or a one-night stand, but if you jump the gun, his gun that is, don't be surprised if your hopes for a long-term relationship misfire. Remember, men of quality don't stick around with women who have sex too easily. So, the better option is to compliment him cleanly, non-sexually. If he likes the way you look, trust me, he's already thinking about having sex with you. The difference is, he won't know if you're someone he can take to bed or not. And what that means is, if he wants you, he'll now have to begin pursuing you. Tip 3, notice something unique about him. There's nothing wrong with telling a guy that you adore his smile or his eyes or handsome face, for example. But if you want your compliment to be more memorable, try to notice something about him that other women might overlook. Try to notice what's less obvious, anything that strikes you as unique or rare or simply interesting. Maybe his shoes are well polished and spotless. Maybe he's wearing a t-shirt of a band you like. Maybe his beard looks like it takes a lot of care, or he's wearing a football ring from college, or a shark-tooth necklace from the tropics, or some other interesting item that will probably have a story behind it. The point is, find something original about him. He'll be flattered that you noticed. Tip 4, your compliments can be direct or indirect. Some old-fashioned dating gurus will have you splitting hairs on this topic. They might say something silly, such as, men prefer indirect compliments while women prefer direct ones. But the truth is, men don't care exactly how you phrase a compliment as long as what you say is genuine. What's the difference? A direct compliment addresses the man himself, like, "You look so good in that suit." An indirect compliment puts the focus on something he has chosen for himself, like an article of clothing. For example, "That blazer looks so good on you." Either kind of compliment works. If you give him a direct one, he'll be glad to know that you think highly of him personally. If it's more indirect, like complimenting his taste or his choices, he'll still take it as praise. Here is a list of the kinds of compliments men love to hear. "You have gorgeous eyes." "I like your watch." "You're very handsome." "You're such a good dancer." "That's a sharp suit." "Cool shirt." "You look like you work out a lot." "I feel like I can't take my eyes off you." "Wow, nice car." "I like your tattoos." "The girls in here can't keep their eyes off you." "I love that cologne you're wearing." "Just looking at you makes me smile." Those are just a few examples of effective compliments. Try using some of them yourself. Better yet, come up with your own based on whichever qualities you find attractive. Again, the point of complimenting a guy is to let him know that you admire something about him and that you're interested in talking to him. Finally, tip 5. Don't overdo it. The first time you speak to a man, one compliment is plenty. Too many compliments too soon, and he may think you're trying to manipulate him. Think of this like drinking wine. One glass will do for now. Another glass might be okay after some time has passed, but several drinks in short succession will be foolish and make a bad impression. So moderate your compliments, show interest with your body language, and good, pleasant conversation, both of which I'll talk about in later videos. What about you? Have you ever given a guy a compliment that totally surprised him? What was it you said to him? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below. And while you're down there, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And be sure you subscribe to this channel for lots more smart, real talk on dating, finding love, and building a relationship that lasts. And if you're having trouble meeting good, high-quality men, I encourage you to check out the Love Now book series, which I co-wrote with my husband, Dr. Richard Goodhart. These books are absolutely packed with the world's most in-depth relationship advice. Seriously, we cover everything. From catching a man's eye to getting a proposal, we've got it all. Even topics way too spicy for these videos. All 3 books are free on Amazon's Kindle Unlimited. Please see the link in the description below for details. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay real, protect your heart, and love as if there's no tomorrow.